Good afternoon. This is Kay with Around the House with Kay and Tom. I have some hamburger today. I need to cook it, and so I'm just going to make a quick meatloaf. So we'll just take the hamburger. It's just a pound of ground beef chuck. I just put it in the bowl and just sort of squashed it up a little bit. It's a very simple meatloaf, really simple. What you need is a 1/3 cup or chopped onions, a little bit more than that. For this meatloaf, all you need is your hamburger, onion, ketchup, an egg, a little milk, and a half a sleeve of saltine crackers. Okay, we have a 1/3 cup of chopped up onions. Just put it right in the bowl. This is a 1 bowl thing. Oh, well, I take that back. Just put it right in your bowl with your meat. You do need to beat your egg before you put it in there, so let's beat our egg right quick. I got a 1/3 cup of chopped up onions, a pound of hamburger, a beaten egg, 1/4 cup of milk, just a 1/4 cup of milk, a half a sleeve of crackers. We need a cup of crushed up saltine crackers. And if you watch me cook very much, you know that I usually crush my crackers of any kind in a Ziploc bag. It's just easier, less mess. About a half a sleeve I've got here. There are times like today that I don't really have a lot of time, but so you just make something quick. I could do just a few more, so let's just do a few more. should be exactly what we need. Put the crackers in there. And we need half a cup of ketchup. You know, meatloaf's not going to be meatloaf if you don't have ketchup. Put a bit more. And you just take your hand and get everything mixed up together. Make sure you get your crackers mixed up, then you don't have like dry spots. Like when you turn it over, you'll see dry spots. Pound of hamburger, cup of crushed up crackers, saltine crackers, 1 egg beaten, 1/4 a cup of milk, 1/2 a cup of ketchup, and 1/3 cup of chopped onion. Okay, I'm going to cook this in my Ninja oven today, so it won't be so hot in the house. So I'm going to preset my oven for 350. There's my settings. I'm going to get it, put it in my dish. I am going to spray it just a little bit, my dish. Just keeps it from sticking so bad all around the sides. And we're just going to make us a loaf. I had to get me a new Ninja oven. My other one quit. So this is a new one. And we'll see how it goes. Let's just lay it the long ways like that. There we go. And I'm going to take aluminum foil and put on top of it for the first 45 minutes. And then we're going to come back, check it, and I wanted to put more ketchup on top of it. The meat needs to be 160 degrees to make sure that it is done. Okay, this has been cooking now for 45 minutes, so let's just see what we've got. It looks pretty good. Okay, the temperature is up to 140 and we need it 160. So what I'm going to do is put some ketchup on top, put it back in there and not cover it up and just let it cook. And we're going to put it back in our little Ninja cooker and cook it now for 15 more minutes. Check it again. Okay, my meatloaf has been cooking for 45 minutes, covered. Then I put ketchup on top of it. I put it back in there for 15 more minutes. And let's see what it says this time. Try it one more place just to make sure. And it says 160. So I do believe it is now done. So I'm just going to let it sit here and cool off just a little bit. And then when it cools off, we're going to slice it and we'll have meatloaf for dinner tonight. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This is really a simple meatloaf. You probably got everything at home. You need a pound of hamburger. You need 1 cup of crushed saltine crackers, 1 egg beaten, 1/4 a cup of milk, half a cup of ketchup, a third cup of onions, put it all together, mix it up, and put it in your dish, that whatever your pan, whatever you're going to cook it in, at 350. And I have cooked it, like I say, 45 minutes and took it out of the oven, and then I put the ketchup on top of it and cooked it for 15 more minutes, and the temperature is 160 degrees. So we're just going to let it cool down a little bit, and we will have meatloaf. Okay, my meatloaf has been sitting here for a few minutes, so it should be really cooled off. We're just going to see what we've got. Still hotter than I thought. Looks very good. I did not put any salt or pepper on it. I just don't cook with that anymore, so I know it's going to need just a little bit of salt, so let's give it just a little bit, and a dash of pepper. And we're going to taste it, and then I'm going to fix some potatoes to go with it tonight. That is really good. So you need to try it with the crackers, just for a little something different. Thank you for watching. Give me your comments. Come back to see me. Around the House with Kay and Tom. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments. Please subscribe and come back to see me. Have a good day.